Children, today we will study your book Ma Communicative English, Class 4, Chapter 13, Brave Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Chapter 13, Brave Rani Lakshmi Bai. First step. On 26 January every year, during Republic Day celebrations, some children are given special awards in New Delhi for acts of bravery. The given picture will remind you of these awards. First, name the national award received on Republic Day for bravery. Who gives medal to the children on this day? Read and follow. Palki was very happy and she ran all the way back home from school. As she entered the house, her mother hugged her and grandmother kissed her. Look at this medal that I have got. Principal ma'am gave it to me in the morning assembly and all the children clapped. Her mother smiled. That is amazing. You had told us that you would get it today. What did your principal say in the assembly? Palki's eyes shone with excitement. Well, she said that this medal is for being a brave girl. I fought with 2 men all alone and got back Namita madam's purse from them. She told the children that when men hit Namita ma'am, she fainted and they snatched her purse and tried to escape on their bike. Principal ma'am told everyone that I threw my water bottle at their bike and they fell from their bike. I immediately shouted for help and many people gathered there. The 2 men were finally caught. All the teachers and students clapped for me. Principal ma'am also said that I am like Rani Lakshmi Bai. Grandmother laughed and said, "Oh, my brave Palki is called Rani Lakshmi Bai now." Seriously, Grandma, I read about her last year, but do tell me more about Rani Lakshmi Bai. Grandma said, "Sure, my child." Palki added, "When the incident happened, I was scared for a moment. These men could have harmed me, but I overcame the fear and attacked bravely. They sat comfortably on the sofa. Palki's mother got busy in the kitchen, and grandmother continued. Rani Lakshmi Bai was one of the most important warriors of India's first struggle for independence against the British rule. She was born on 19th November 1835 at Pune. Her father was a court advisor and mother was a scholarly woman. She lost her mother at a very early age. Her father encouraged her to learn to ride elephants, horses and to use weapons. She grew up with Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope. Grandmother replied, "Wait dear, I'll tell you more about Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was married to the ruler of Jhansi, Raja Gangadhar Rao, in 1842. Was called Lakshmi Bai. She gave birth to a son who unfortunately died. Then the king adopted Damodar Rao as his son. Due to his own son's death and ill health, Raja Gangadhar Rao also died in 1853. Rani Lakshmi Bai was just 18 years old then. She acted courageously and took up her responsibility. The British did not accept Damodar Rao as the legal heir and wanted to take Jhansi. They ordered Rani Lakshmi Bai to leave Jhansi and granted her an annual pension. But she refused to give up Jhansi. Nana Sahib, Tatya Tope and many others joined her to fight with the British. Many women also supported her. They were given military training to fight their enemy. Palki said, "Women also fought the enemy with weapons?" Grandmother smiled. "Yes, just like you fought. The 2 men empty-handed. Then the British attacked Jhansi and Rani Lakshmibai fought them bravely. Her army fought for about 2 weeks, but she had to escape on her horse. Name of the horse? Badal. And with her son Damodar Rao securely tied to her back. She went to Kalpi and finally to Gwalior. She gave up her life fighting for the freedom of the Jhansi. What a brave woman, Palki said. Grandma, you are right. All women should be brave like her. Palki's mother called out, Palki, come and have your lunch now. It's ready. Palki hugged her grandmother and said, Thanks for the story. You are the best grandma in the world. Grandmother smiled. I am so proud of you, Palki.